Alright, so this is a quick tutorial on an error that my site is getting. So if I try to install this, it will give you installation failed, could not create a directory. Okay, and similarly if I am trying to upload anything, so let's say I just upload anything over here, again it would give me similar error. So let's just wait, it would be almost the same error. Okay, to fail to write file to the disk. So what people say is, when I googled it, it was like if such error occur, it's mostly that you do not have permissions to write on the file. So it's actually go to the hosting, go to the file manager, and then locate, okay, it's login, go to the file manager, and then this is my website, and then WP content, because that's where, and then change permission, and it should be 755. So mine is already 755, so what it means, it's not the file permission error. What it actually is, I realized it just a couple of minutes ago, is that my hosting actually changed the quota, the disk usage for my hosting, and so it has actually exceeded. It should be 20, but it's 22.7, and I know they changed it because it could not have been 22.7 had it been if it wasn't allowed initially. Anyways, so this is one of the reasons why you might be getting this error. And another thing I noticed was, if I'm trying to even take a backup or like compress it, even then it would give me this quota exceed and output file write failure. If I'm trying to delete anything, even then I have to skip the trash and then permanently delete. Otherwise, if I just confirm it, it would give me this error, disk quota exceeded. So yeah, if you're getting this error, this is the reason. You need to either delete some files or get talk to your hosting, and they should be able to give you extend your quota, I don't know, whatever their policy is, and that's the way to go. So I realized this is one of the reason why it was doing this, giving this error to me. So it might help somebody, so I thought about sharing it. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for similar small tips and tricks. Okay, bye.